This would be your first video. It's pre-recorded, like you know. Um, I'm going to go through with you some of the corrections that I see when you did the SLS quiz. Sorry, I forgot to put this into quiz mode. So it was like assignment, so I couldn't really mark. But I gave some underline annotations for you to take a look. But it's okay. I will just go through the common mistakes made by most of you. Okay, I'm going to use Singro's work. I think it was done very well. So I'm going to use her work to highlight. So just take note. Okay, question number 1. You're supposed to find, given some data here, you're supposed to find the empirical formula. So this is how it goes. Okay, in the first question, I gave you a table to assist you. So knowing, I thought that you'll use a similar format for the other question, but some of you did not do that. Okay, first step to find empirical formula, you need to write down the element, the mass. You need to calculate the mass by what's given, and then the AR or MR, molar masses, okay? And then you divide, you find the number of moles. So the way she did it is kind of wrong, this part here. This is supposed to be moles, okay? So this is supposed to be her AR, MR, or we call it molar mass. Okay, this is moles, so slightly wrong, but it's okay. Just a man. And this is supposed to be the mole. So divide by the smallest coefficient in this two. This is the smallest. So divided by itself become 0.02 divided by 1. You get 2. So the formula is SiO2. So this is the empirical formula. Please do remember the steps. Okay, the mistake when a percentage is given, students will divide by 100. You should not do that. So direct division using like how you did for moles, mass direct division. Okay. Okay. Then 1b, given the relative molecular mass of silicon 60, what is the molecular formula? Okay. Basically, SiO2, the number of molecule is N. So if you find the relative molecular mass of SiO2, the empirical formula is 60. So 60 over 60 is 1, so nothing to times in. In this example, the empirical formula is similar to the molecular formula. Sometimes it's possible. Okay, so please do take note. Okay, the second question, I've given you percentage just to find out whether you know how to do. Again, her moles is wrong. Singro, please do take note. This is MR or AR. Okay, direct division, she gets this. This is the number of moles. So please take note. This is wrong. Okay, divided by itself, this is 1. This one divided by this is this 1.00 something. And this one divided by this is 3.00 something. So it will be 1:1:3. So the formula is PbCO3. Okay. Do not turn off at this point. I think when I calculated, it's like keep it to this one. Probably maybe I just do a bit of okay. This one. Keep it to 1.002. I got 1.002. Okay, do not run off. Okay, this one also similar. Don't run off to 3SF here. Okay, it was 3.005. Okay, around there. Right? And then you write down the ratio as 1:1:3. Right? Okay. This is writing formula, equation with state symbols. Some of you have forgotten the state symbols, and a lot of hints were given in the question itself. So it is just PbO solid. Oxygen, many of you wrote O. O doesn't exist. Okay, if you want to become a gas, it becomes a molecule, so it has to be O2. And then you balance the equation in solid, gas, solid. Okay. Okay, I think this one I will skip because reason was given. I think the most common error was this. You got 32, but the question was AR of element X, so you need to minus away the 4 hydrogens. Okay, so that is why answer is 28. Okay, and then question 4 was the last question. Some of you were not able to finish. Sorry, I said it to only one trial, one try. That is why I had an issue. I couldn't revert back to 2 tries, but it's okay. We learn along the way. Okay, mass of water driven, so just minus off. Okay, you have 21.6. Please ensure units are written. Okay, very important. Units, so must be grams. Okay. Calculate the number of moles. So this is the water divided by the molar mass is 18. So you get 1.20 moles. Okay, 1.203 SF. Okay. Calculate this. Copper chloride. You have 26, which is here. Remaining powder. So 26 over the cobalt chloride MR, you get 0.2003 SF again, MOL, mole. Okay, how to do this? How do you get this? How do you get N equals to 6? So probably this was mole ratio. This was 0.2. This was 1.2. So how many times? 6 times. So this is 0.2, 1.2. This is small. So 1 ratio. This is 1.2 divided by 0.2. You have 6. So N is 6 molecules of water. Okay, not so difficult. Some of you were not able to do because of some errors along the way. Okay, please do take note of all the different errors that has been highlighted. Right. Okay, I will send this test, the quiz, in the Google Classroom. So if you need a copy, please go and print yourself. Okay, that's all for the first part. Now you can move on to the second part of the lesson. Okay, see you again. Bye.